Hi everyone, and welcome to my video of how to place a Tupperware order. So the first step is to go to www.my.tupperware.ca. You'll come to this screen here. If this is your very first time signing into the website, you click first time, click here to sign up. I have a separate video step-by-step of how to sign up for your account the very first time, so watch that if it's your first time. Otherwise, you just log in with your consultant ID number and your password. You'll come to the main screen here. You click My Sales, you click Place Order. You'll be brought to your personal summary screen, which tells you a screenshot of where you're at this month. You then go up to this top corner and press Party History. So then you'll be brought to your Party History screen. You'll select Start New Party, and this is the most important part. You have to choose if you're doing a party, non-party, fundraiser, or sales aid order. If the order that you're putting in is only catalogs, sale flyers, sales aids, which are like little orange peelers, little smidgets, things like that, and samples and coupons, only those things can be ordered in a sales aid order. It also ships faster than the other order types. If you have an order of less than $200, select non-party because you won't qualify for any host rewards below $200. If your order is under $100, there's an extra $10 shipping fee. If you're under a non-party and you're entering only sample codes, that $10 shipping fee is waived in a non-party. If you're submitting over $200 in any kind of stuff, click Party. I selected non-party for this first example. So then you fill in the description and the party date. It automatically fills in your information here because the non-party is shipping to you as the consultant. Then you press Next. On this screen here, you click this party or this order is for consultant. And it automatically fills in your information. You click Next. Then you'll be brought to the item screen here. So you can redeem coupons that you've got by clicking Redeem Coupons and clicking the blue number there. It will automatically add it to your item spot, quantity 1. You'll press Verify, and it fills in the proper information with the description and the price. Then you look for your item numbers. So I'm going to enter 629, quantity 1, press Verify, and it comes up the appropriate information, the price and the description. You can double check by pressing Verify that you have the right codes or that your customer sent you the right code numbers to make sure that it corresponds with the proper item that you're wanting to order. I added a sample code as well to show you what that looks like, and you just leave this column here as regular, you don't touch it, and it automatically changes it for you when you press Verify. If you don't have a catalog in front of you and you need to enter an item code, press this button called Item Search. It'll come up with this box here, and you can decide whether you want to type in a description of the item, regular, sales aid, samples, whatever you want to search for. I'm going to press Sales Aids and press Search. These are all of the available sales aids that we have to order. So we've got keychains, bags, orange peelers, all kinds of things, and you can add them directly to your order by pressing this number here. It automatically has added them. When I pressed Verify, it filled in the description and the prices and everything automatically. Coupons, sales aids, catalogs, sale flyers do not count toward your sales. So the retail total is 0 because they do not count toward your sales, meaning sales credit is the lingo, and the sales credit amount is the amount that Tupperware looks at for challenges, for paying off your $1,200 kit payment, for $600. It's called sales credit. Then press Next. You'll come to a summary screen. If you have samples in there or things that you're purchasing at your discount, it'll come up the regular price here. So if that's the case and it doesn't seem quite right, don't worry about it and press next. Then you'll come to this screen here, summary screen. If you're all done and that's all you want to order for yourself under a non-party order, then you're all finished. Press Quick Links, Summary and Payments. This is the final payment screen. So this is where it breaks it down, how much the customers need to pay you, your consultant cost, the sales credit. This column is very important. That's what I was talking about. This is what's counting towards your sales. Breaks it down how much you pay, how much shipping and handling is, how much tax is, and because we're submitting under $100, there's an extra $10 shipping fee as well. So then it tells us our grand total. Over here it breaks down commission information. You scroll down and you put your card information in. If you don't have a Tupperware card, I highly recommend it. It's free and it links it directly to your bank account, so you can pay from your bank account. And also Tupperware pays you, if you have a volume bonus or any kind of bonus, pays you directly into your bank account. And you earn points to get free catalogs and sale flyers. Then you press Submit Party. You put in your password, you press Submit. At the top it will say it is successfully submitted. I didn't actually do it, but that's what it will say there, so you know that it's successfully submitted. You go back to Party History, and it will show you in your Party History that the one that we just did, this was your sales credit for it, and that it is submitted once you actually submit it. If you need help through the entire process, live chat is available to you. So we just did a non-party under $100, and we shipped everything that we were ordering to me as a consultant. So I was just ordering stuff for myself. Sale flyers, sales aids, things that I wanted, samples, that kind of thing. If you have an actual party that you're submitting, or if your party orders, if your orders are over $200, click Party. Fill in your description and your party date as today's date. This is where you decide, is the entire party order going to be shipped to you as the consultant, or is it going to be shipped to your host? Annette is our host. She's in Guelph. I'm going to ship the entire party to her. Everybody's orders are going to her as the host. Then you press Next at the bottom. You'll come to this screen here, and I don't ever go straight from this screen. I always press Quick Links as my very first step. The first orders that you'll put in are people that paid with their credit card. You'll press Add New Customer Order. You'll fill in their first and last name and keep this selected. This order is for customer. Then press Next. And remember that this customer's orders are going to be shipped to your host, Annette, in Guelph. You'll enter the item codes, the quantity. You'll press Verify to make sure that it's all correct, and then you'll press Next. Then you'll come to the summary screen. Was this order paid by a credit card? Click Yes. Fill in the appropriate details. Press Next. You'll come to the summary screen. You'll do that step over and over and over for every single customer that paid on their credit card. For customers that paid you cash, check, or email transfer, you're going to put them all under one customer order. So press Quick Links, Add New Customer Order. First name, cash, last name, orders. This order is for customer. All these cash orders are shipping to your host. You'll put in every single item that everybody wants to order that has paid you cash. Check or EMT. You'll press Verify, then Next. They did not pay with a credit card. You will press No, then Next. You'll come to the summary screen again. So now every single customer's order is put in. If you want to order stuff for yourself in the same party order, that's shipped to you, not to your host, you can do that by pressing Consultant Order, Add New Consultant Order. Once you get here, you click the bubble Consultant. This order is for Consultant. It says that this order is going to be shipped to me. Press Next. I put in the items that I want to order to be shipped to me. You can also add your coupons if you have any. You press Verify to make sure it's all correct, then press Next. The totals might not look right here, but just press Next. You'll come to the summary screen again. You click Quick Links, Add New Host Order. Will automatically come up with your information. Press Next. If your host wants to order anything from the sale flyer, you ask them at this point because they can't use their host rewards towards items in the sale flyer, and if they order stuff in there, then it will count toward their sales, making them get more free stuff. You can add bags to be shipped to them so that they can package their orders by selecting that. Then press Next. This is the host rewards screen. You can also get to it by clicking Quick Links, Host Rewards. You choose which one of these products they want as their $200 gift. And you check this chart to see what they qualify for. They get $102 in credit and 2 half-off items. You enter the item codes for the free Tupperware they want with their free credit. You select Free Tupperware as the drop-down here, and it will populate when you press Verify to all the free credit that you're using. Over here it would tell you how many credits are remaining to use up that $102 in host credit. Those things can only be chosen from the main catalog, not the sale flyer. You'll do the same thing for your 2 half-priced items by pressing half off item, putting the codes in, and pressing Verify, and it will tell you all the information there. Then press Next. You'll come to a summary screen. If your host paid with a credit card, press Yes. If they did not, press No. Then you'll come to the final summary screen. This is where it will break down everything for you. Who paid with the credit card, how much it was, how much your cost is, how much tax is. This is the sales credit amount that you want again. And it will break down how much your commission was, and it will tell you the final amount that you owe, having collected all the money from everybody already. So you probably have $960 or so in cash already, and you're paying this much to Tupperware. So you're keeping the remaining commission already. You fill in your payment information, you press Submit Party, you put in your password, and it will say this party is successfully submitted. You go back to party history. Then you'll see here that your party, the sales credit amount was successfully submitted. And then here's where you'll find your tracking information once the tracking information is available. That is all. That is how to submit a party order, a non-party order, and what the difference between all of them is. Thank you for watching, and I hope it's helpful.